Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sudeep and today I'm going to unbox Canon EOS 1500D and also I will take some photos and videos so we can check it out. What kind of performance it can give actually when you're interested for the photography or filming a video for your YouTube channel. So you want to check it out? Stay tuned for that. I make a video of traveling, what we can do in the weekends, photography and cover some videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe and also press the bell icon so you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. Also you can comment down below like what kind of videos you want me to upload so we can get motivated and connected at the same time and I can improve myself. So enjoy the video. Cheers. So these are the things that I have received inside the box, which is one camera bag, battery charger and a cable, 16 GB of memory card. Apart from that, there's a camera lens of 18 by 55 mm, which has image stabilizer and autofocus and manual focus option, and a camera itself with 24.1 megapixel and a battery which capture full HD photos and full HD videos, and it also comes with CMOS sensor and an optical viewfinder for an authentic DSLR shooting experience with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity to transfer your file in your phone or in laptop. So guys, here are some pictures and videos that I've taken from Canon EOS 1500D. So you can check it out what kind of quality picture it can give. Canon EOS 1500D and its quality to capture an image and a video. And as for me, if you are a beginner, then definitely you should go for it, as its photo capturing quality and video quality is fantastic. And price of this camera is approximately around 25 to 26,000, which is much cheaper than the other high-end cameras. I will share the link in the description below where you can buy it. And last but not the least, if you like this video, do like and subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. Goodbye for now and see you next time.